guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, I'm going to show you some different techniques so that way you can get into your trunk if you have a dead battery. Now I'm going to go through multiple different scenarios, and ultimately you can choose any one of these, whatever you want to do. There are plenty of options for you. So let's go ahead and get started.
Alright, so right on your trunk, you're going to locate your little trunk key spot right here. All you're going to do is take your BMW key, undo it like that, and go ahead and place it in the lock. You're going to unlock it and then pull it open.
So if you have the cold weather package with the ski through to go to the trunk, this will access the trunk in the back. So obviously you just pull it down. Here's your entrance into the trunk right here. This can come all the way out. And what you need to do is just take a hanger, just like this, obviously with the hook. What you're trying to get to is get to the trunk release handle. So it's going to be a glowing green. And it's all the way in the back, of course, so it's going to take a little bit to get yourself all the way back there.
And just taking your hanger, feed in the loop like that. And then the light comes on, trunk will open. Now another method that you can do is you can get your battery trickle charger and just charge up the battery for a little bit, or even just take the full power on and then just jump it right here with your negative terminal and then your positive. So that will give power to the system, and that way you can go ahead and work it and then get the trunk actuator to open. Another little side one to do, and man, is that engine bay looking nice. Perfect detail. And the last scenario that you can go with, which is ultimately the very last thing that you should try to do, is you can start removing your seats, so that way you can start like kind of propping it off to the side and then be able to get to your back trunk pull release. You can do that as well, but really you don't even have to go through all those steps. There's plenty of other different ways to be able to get right in there.
Well guys, that does it for today. Some different techniques to open your trunk if you have a dead battery. Now obviously you can use any of these techniques of whatever you would like. There are plenty different scenarios of how to get into your trunk that BMW has out there for you to do. Well guys, that does it for today, and as always, thanks for stopping in. Please be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment below. Have a great week.